Hello, good morning, and welcome to Ocean Cay Marine Reserve Day 2. Today we head to breakfast before Patrick and I head to the island to walk it all for you. The girls spend the afternoon in the splash pad. Afterwards we all take some naps and then reconvene for dinner before heading to the rock show. And it all starts now. Alright, well that was... I don't think we've ever gone straight to the floor we wanted before. Alright. Hey! Oh, brothers don't shake hands. Brothers gotta hug. Are we embarrassing you? Are we embarrassing you?
No, I don't get embarrassed.
Oh.
Of course.
What is it called?
Thank you. Thank you. So we are here at breakfast again in the Seashore restaurant, which is the same restaurant that we have our dinners at. We are here with P&B's Wide World of Ports. Obviously, it's in 360, so you're seen. You're seen. Madison, can you say hi? That's good. All right. I'm going to try again on the Eggs Benedict. I'm hoping that that was a fluke, but of course we have our first aid kit of coffee creamer. It's very important. This is a life or death for me, so if you are creamer centric like I am,
I might require some medical attention.
yeah, seriously, you're more than welcome to.
Perfect, thank you.
All right, can I do some strawberry yogurt?
Yep.
And then I'm gonna do a Eggs Benedict, and then I'll do some bacon and some sausage, and the French toast sticks with syrup. Show us your pinky out, but there it is. There it is. There it is. It came out. It came out just for a little bit.
Yeah.
Well, you probably can't hear me because it's really windy, but Patrick and I are walking the island with the old 360 cams. So you'll have to check out that video when it comes out, both of ours, and you could say whose is better.
Yeah, they'll be about 3 feet apart.
Yeah.
So different perspective.
Yeah. So you'll have to watch them both in succession, or better yet, pull them up at the same time on a half window and a half window, and then go like this, and then try and focus really hard, and it'll be in 3D, about 3 foot apart. So probably not, but we're taking a little break right here at one of the last bars before we go all the way down to the tip by the helipad. So we're taking a little break, staying hydrated.
Point of no return, right here.
And we're gonna get back to it.
Where are we right now?
Splash pad!
Splash pad. So we are with P&B Wide World of Ports. We have Becca and Holly, and we're gonna be chasing the girlies around. Having a great time at the splash pad. Let's go. From Becca from P&B Wide World of Ports. Now it's time to get down. I thought it was time. awesome. So we had a great time at the splash pad. Super, super fun playing with the girls. And now we have worked up an appetite. So we just took showers, got dried off, and now we're gonna head up and grab some lunch.
So we're at dinner, and we ran to, we left early. We were supposed to leave at 6, and at 5:40 we start pulling away. So we run to the room to start the time lapse. Totally miss it. We've missed the whole thing. And now we're rushing back to dinner to hopefully not miss it. Where we going, Bubba?
Rock show.
We ain't got no place to go, so let's go to the punk rock show. Darling, take me by the hand. We're gonna see a punk rock band. There's no use in TV shows, radio, a rodeo. Wanna get into the crowd and I wanna hear it play real loud. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, we are back in the room after a show, after late night snacks with friends, of course. We had to go up to the Biscayne Bay and get some pizza, hot dog, cookies, you know, the whole 9 yards. What a day. Ocean Cay, day 2. I am currently at 14,838 steps, which is 6.89 miles. So a little bit of a walking in today. So we're pretty tired. We are changing time zones, so we are gaining an hour tonight, which is awesome. It's a sea day, so we don't have anything planned. It's not like we gotta get off get off at a port real early. So we are gonna sleep in tomorrow. We do have the slot pool, which is being hosted by our friend Becca from PMB's Wide World of Ports. So we're gonna go support her and check out the slot pool. That's tomorrow at 10 ship's time. Anyways, because, you know, ship time, our time, it's a whole thing. I'm gonna go ahead and unload the cameras from today. that walk around the island was brutal today. The last time we were here, it was December, and the weather not as hot or as sunny or humid. Today was boof. I almost didn't make it back to the ship because that was rough. We literally stopped at every bar and got a bottle of water at every bar that was open because of how fast we were just sweating out all of the water we were drinking. So that was a bit much, but dinner was good. The show was really good. It was definitely like 80s rock kind of thing. They did some good numbers, some interesting numbers. There are some bigger names that do bigger songs than what they chose. And I think the reasoning for that is on this ship, the big show is the Michael Jackson tribute show. And so I think that's going to be the, like, look at us, look at what we've done show of the week. So all of these other shows have been not bad, but just like more low-key. They've been great shows. They're about 40 minutes each. Tomorrow's one, I can't remember what it's called, but it's like Frank Sinatra, Michael Bublé, kind of that jazz type. So that'll be interesting to see. But having a great time here on the seaside. What ship are we on?
Yep, Seaside.
So we're having a great time here on the seaside. I'm going to go ahead and unload cameras and hit the hay, and it is only 11:05. So in before midnight is a win. I'm Rob from Here Today, Where Tomorrow, and we will see you there. Tune in next video where we sleep in a little bit, have a late breakfast at the Biscayne before heading to the slot pull hosted by our friend Becca from P&B's Wide World of Ports. We all head to lunch for their special Sea Day lunch menu, and we run into a little bit of a storm with some crazy lightning. That rocks us to sleep for a nap. When we wake up, dinner time, and surf and turf is on the menu. Then we head to the show where we see the Frank Sinatra, Michael Bublé type music, and then round the night off with a mega deck party, which was the silent disco, and that's something you're just going to have to tune in for. Lots of laughs were had. But anyways, we'll see you there. If you like this video and want to see more, please head on over to the channel and subscribe. And if you want to get notified, ring that little bell. We upload new videos every week.